Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into MinIO, a high-performance object storage solution compatible with Amazon S3. Located at MinIO, this open-source platform offers incredible versatility for storing and retrieving data. Whether you're dealing with unstructured data like images, videos, or log files, or you need a robust backend for your cloud-native applications, MinIO provides a powerful and scalable solution. One of the key advantages of MinIO is its simplicity. It's incredibly easy to deploy and manage, allowing you to quickly set up object storage within your own infrastructure. This gives you complete control over your data, eliminating vendor lock-in and reducing reliance on external cloud providers. You can run MinIO on virtually any platform, from bare metal servers and virtual machines to Kubernetes and public cloud environments. Performance is another area where MinIO shines. Built for speed, it leverages hardware acceleration to deliver exceptional throughput and low latency. This makes it an ideal choice for demanding workloads, such as big data analytics, AI or ML training, and high-traffic web applications. Furthermore, MinIO is designed with data security in mind, offering encryption at rest and in transit to protect your valuable information. With its S3 compatibility, MinIO seamlessly integrates with a wide range of tools and applications that already utilize the S3 API. This means you can easily migrate existing workflows and leverage the vast ecosystem of S3 compatible services. Plus, MinIO's active community and comprehensive documentation provide ample support and resources to help you get started and troubleshoot any issues you might encounter. If you're looking for a versatile, high-performance, and secure object storage solution, head over to MinIO to explore its capabilities further. You can download the software, browse the documentation, and join the community forums to learn more about how MinIO can benefit your organization. It's a powerful tool that empowers you to take control of your data storage and unlock the full potential of your applications. Don't forget to check out their website for detailed information and resources.